Hey, what's for dinner? If you're anything like me, you're tired of eating the same meals over and over, day in and day out. But I think I have the answer to this problem. Let's learn a new recipe. Vivian Howard is one of North Carolina's greatest chefs. I recently photographed her and her team in action. The food was fantastic. So there you have it. One of the greatest ways to overcome eating the same meals over and over is to learn a new recipe. I hope you had fun. And now the only thing left to do is to get Chef Vivian to sign my book.